Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at what could possibly be the best watering system I have come across ever. I think this might be the best watering kit that exists. It's from Gardena, it's their Micro Drip System, and it's an all-in-one kit. So everything you need to get this set up is inside of this kit, including the tubing and all the accessories. The manual is important because that's what you have to follow to kind of build this. But if you go onto the back of the box, it kind of gives you a good explanation of how it really works. So you have your spigot, and then you're using Gardena's Quick Connect system to connect this kit. And basically you have water coming from each corner and then one in the middle. And this kit provides it with about everything you need in terms of all of the accessories. But that's not it. I have set this up. I've actually had this for a couple of years, and I wanted to make a video because it's just that good. And let me show you what it looks like once it's in action. Like, look at this. Is that not the best watering system ever? So this garden is 12 feet by 6 feet. And I have one in each corner, and then I have that one in the middle. But unlike what the box was, I have it the middle going down the middle, right straight through. And that one's doing a 360 watering, whereas each one on the corner is doing a diagonal. And you can adjust it on each corner. I didn't get the video footage of it, but you can kind of see it. It is adjustable, but that's the way that I have it perfect. Every square inch of this garden, and then some, is going onto the grass as well, is being covered. Like, it gives you full range. And the great thing about this watering system is I only have to have this on for like a minute or two a day. Then I'm on a water meter, so I'm gonna conserve water by doing this because I'm having it connected to Orbit Smart Timer. So that allows it to basically go on for a minute a day and then automatically turn off. But if you look at the coverage, if you're looking to grow your own food, and I'm using a square foot gardening system with the landscaping fabric because then that prevents weeds from happening. Because weeds love water, and when you have an automated watering system like this, they're gonna come, and that's how I learned about putting the landscaping fabric, and it works perfect. It just looks beautiful. People love coming over and checking it out, and when the watering turns on, everyone's just amazed, like neighbors when they're walking by, and they're like, what is going on? And I'm telling you, I've tried all the different watering systems and kits. I even build my own kits using off-the-shelf products. But I haven't found anything that has this kind of a spray in the corner. So if you are looking to create a watering kit, Gardena Micro Drip System, this is it. This is it. I don't know why they call it Micro Drip System. They should call it the Making It Rain edition. Anyways, folks, I'm Andy Baryer, Andy. I'll see you again in the next video.